Do you actually feel that we live in a world where justice is only available and served for certain communities? Do you live in a world feeling that I am not eligible for justice and peace just like any other community around me? You're living in a strange world. Together, we can change it. Together, we can modify it to the rightful version. Together, we can speak. Together, we can chant. Together, we can call out on the wrong portions of injustice served to wrong people and preserve for only one person community of elites. Together, we can actually speak up. Together, we can protest. Together, we can rally. And together, we can find peace and justice for everybody. Islam provides that justice for all. Islam provides that 100% full, fair way of life for everybody. Islamic law that is also comprised of Sharia components is comprised of justice and peace. In no other book of any law, any community, any legal system talks about justice. Every legal book, every judiciary book talks about legalities and laws. None of those books talk about justice. Only Islam, based on the word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that is Quran, talks about justice, talks about peace and fairness for all. If you haven't been learning about Islam, if you haven't been listening to some of the rightful scholars and speakers of the Muslim community, think about it, learn about it, and speak for justice, stand for justice, and rally for justice.